What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making some bacon wrapped onion rings. Going to be cooking some stuff on the griddle, going to be deep frying. It's going to be some good stuff. Let's check out these ingredients, get it going. So right here we got the mixture of stuff. We're going to get it all wet and get it all good. I have everything. There's like cumin and all that. Everything's in the description of what we got in there. Then right here we got some panko breadcrumbs. Here goes the onions right here. They're roughly a 1/4 inch thick, around there. And then we got some thick cut bacon right here. Here's the oil we're going to be deep frying these things in. And yeah, here's the sauce. It's ketchup, mayo, and sriracha. A little spice, a little salt and pepper in there. So yeah, we got the griddle warming up, and let's get it good. Alright, so we got the oil going. You saw I was wrapping all these up. I'm not doing a whole bunch of them, but now my thought is I'm going to fry these things first. Because I really want to get a nice crisp on there. And yeah, so let's just start frying these bad boys up. Oh, that one kind of came apart a little bit. I'm going to fix that one. Alright. Boom. Fix this one. And I'm going to show you the the sauce that we're going to, or not sauce, it's like the mixture of stuff that we're going to dip these in after I kind of fry both sides of it. And then, check it out. So here's the stuff right here. We got it to the consistency of, I don't know, it's like definitely thinner than cake mix. But yeah, we're gonna dip the onion rings in there, and then we're gonna dip them into the breadcrumbs, then into the fryer. Alright, so these are done enough. I wish they would have stayed together a little better, but either way, we're about to get some good flavors. So I'm just going to put these over here. I'm going to let them chill for a minute so I can touch them and not burn myself. And then I'm going to bring you guys in when I put them all in the dip and all that breadcrumbs. So yeah, we'll bring it right back. Alright, we got everything breaded. Now we got the oil is nice and hot, it's at 360. So let's, yeah, all we got to do is put these things in now. Alright, that's good for now. These things are done. They've been in for about 2 minutes, and I flipped them. Well, 1 minute, flipped it, and another minute, so we're good to go. Let's get this out. Ooh, baby. Oh, right now, let's give this a try. I only had 2 of them come out really good, like this one, nice and round. Oh well, they're still gonna be good no matter what. So let's just dip a little bit. Now this sauce, this is mayo, ketchup, and sriracha. We didn't have any dipping sauce to put in, so just made my own. That's really good. Nice crunch on that bacon. I love onions. That is really, really good. It actually didn't take as long as I thought it would, because I had the oil heating up while I was doing the stuff over here, and so it actually went kind of fast. That's good. Simple as that, y'all. Appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up for me. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.